Yes, that's right. You're back on board the fat bike with me, Joe, from Biking with Joyrider TV. And that's what we're doing. We are biking. This is an absolute classic bit of wide, sweeping, loosey-goosey, which will turn into something quite different towards the lower section. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right. Got a bit excited there. I think you might have spotted that. Alright, just flying through here. I think it's going to get quite, yeah, it's starting to get a bit dirtier. Which is okay. The fatty does chomp this up. Right, there is mud on the track. All right. Now, although we've got these great big knobbly tyres, she still slides around a bit in the mud. So just trying to keep the traction. Whoa. Keeping the traction, keeping the dream alive of a bit of traction. Right, through that little muddy section. Back in to the hold on and hope for the best. Charging into these corners like a young whippersnapper. Charging in on a Saturday night. Okay, got a short link up here. So this bit of tarmac is what would be known as the deserted village tarmac. Woohoo! All right. Left coming up, slow down a bit for that bad boy, and then straight into a right and a left. Oh, who saw that coming? As the plot unfolds on this bit of off-road bicycling on a Thursday afternoon. Okay, so into the next muddy section. Woohoo! Oh, crossing the tracks. And then we could go straight on here for pipeline, but we're not, we're doing the bone shaker. Here we go. Wow. Whoa! All right. Popped a little front wheel up in the air there to clear a little rut. Okay, wasn't actually too shaky at all. So there you go, top to bottom on possibly the most significant top to bottom route in the area. Lovely old job. And as always, not always, but a lot of the time, we'll be coming out into the olive groves. And there we are.